All right, so good evening, everyone. Once again, I'm Sharon Aguinaldo. So I'm here in Calamba right now. I'd like to introduce myself to you before I start my presentation. I'm a licensed electronics and communications engineer by profession. And then, syempre na-practice ko naman yung aking career din for 13 years. But unfortunately, 2011, I had to retire early from work because of serious health concern. Now, I was 34 years old, but muntik na po akong ma-stroke nung time na yon, no? So, yun yung naging problem ko, kaya nag-stop ako from working. And syempre, if we are an employee for the rest of our lives, talagang I would say that it will be very hard for us to start a new endeavor, especially business, no? Because ano bang nalaman natin sa pagbe-business nung employee tayo? Syempre wala. So I really had a lot of experiences doon sa mga times, mga years na hindi po ako employed. And akala ko ayoko nang mag-business, no? Kasi sabi ko parang di pala magandang mag-business because of these things. Kaya lang what I enjoyed the most for not being employed is yung quality time. Tama ba? Because I haven't experienced that when I was in a corporate company, no? I always felt na yung oras ko po talagang kulang na kulang sa mga mas mahalagang bagay because kinain na nung aking work time, no? So, yun yung nangyari. Kaya, although I struggled a lot, I tried my best to do businesses, nag-direct selling din po ako before, wala akong masasabi na those are bad. Tama ba? Sabi nga, in business, pwede pong hindi tayo nanalo, pero we always learn a lesson. No? So, nandoon po ako sa stage na I always learn a lesson, kaya I'm always happy of what I am doing. Now, ikwento ko lang na maikse why I am here in Reway. And that is because of Miss Vanessa Roses, and I am very thankful for her to invite me na actually may style pa yan, no? Kasi hindi niya ako ma-invite kung audience lang ako. What she did was, nung time na yon insurance po yung business ko. In-invite niya ako as a speaker, syempre pupunta po ako niyan. So from Calamba, all the way I traveled to Malolos, Bulacan, and then doon po nag-talk ako about financial wellness. Pero hindi ko alam na nandun din pala si Engineer Mai Amogis to talk about health naman. At yung ipe-present ko po, yun po yung product na pinresent niya din sa akin noon. And they were thinking na it will be for me kasi nga meron akong health concern. Pero hindi nila alam what I really thinking during that time na nakikinig ako is the situation of my mother. So my mother during 2019 of October is already 25 years na diabetic. Can you imagine pag 25 years na pong diabetic ang person, napakadami na po niya na complication. So meron na rin po siyang heart problem, meron po siyang uh, pneumonia, tapos nagkaroon pa siya ng hairline crack sa hip bone, ayaw niya magpa-hip replacement surgery kasi technically ayaw niya magpa-surgery. She felt that it is unsafe for her and ayaw niya. No? So yun yun eh. Whatever it is, sabi nga, it's always the person who owns the body who will decide what type of treatment will they accept. Tama? So, hindi natin pwedeng ipilit. So, ayaw ng mother ko. Pero nung nakikinig po ako sa presentation, sabi ko, wow, this is something new. Kasi I am hearing about stem cell, oral stem cell. Sabi ko, kasi during that time, we are desperate because we already have tried almost all. Na-name it po, na-try na po namin yan lahat. Kasi pag meron pong bagong food supplement na ini-introduce before, talagang try po kami ng try. Tama? Kasi wala, hindi po natin malalaman. It, ano sabi nga, eh, ganito lang yan. Pwede tayong ma-sales stock eh. Pwedeng magaling yung nagsalita. Kaya tayo napabili. But the only way to prove the efficacy of the product is to try it yourself. So, ganun po ako. Hindi po ako kumbaga, hindi ako masyadong maniniwala sa mga sinasabi nila unless I have proven it myself. So, yun po yung sinabi ko, oh, bago naman to, I will try it. So, fast forward, after ko makinig, bumili po ako ng product, oral stem cell, and then pinatry ko sa mother ko. And alam niyo po ba, ang nakakatuwa, during that time, 21 pieces na po yung iniinom niyang maintenance medicine. So nakakatakot kasi lagi na pong bagsak yung SGOT, SGPT niya, including her creatinine. Kasi sobrang dami no, ng gamot. Kaya talagang antang worry ko kasi yung kanyang tawag dito pain reliever kasama na sa maintenance kasi 3 times a day. So can you imagine that? Kasi ganun po ka-painful kapag may crack ka sa hip bone. And then, meron din po siya sa right knee. So, hanggang po talagang hindi na siya halos nakakalakad. Pero I am very thankful because I have seen with my own 2 eyes that my mother was able to walk even though it's very slow during that time after 1 month of taking the product. So, pinapalakpakan po yan, no? So, sabi ko nga, it's really amazing for me at hindi namin po iniisip nun yung gastos. Tama ba? You know why? Because yung pera, pwede po nating paulit-ulit yan nakitain. Pero once we lost the chance no, to lengthen the life of a person, or baka late na tayo gumawa ng paraan, baka magsisi po tayo. Okay, so much about that. So, ibig sabihin, sold out po kami. And update ko lang kayo, today, as of today, my mother is nakakalakad na siya, no? Although mabagal kasi what do we expect, di naman po yan nagpa-opera. Pero pasado na po yung SGOT, SGPT, and creatinine niya, meaning nasa safe side na yung liver and kidney niya. And that is because 4 na lang po yung maintenance niya. So from 21 pieces down to 4, can you imagine that? At yung pang-apat po dun is actually the oral stem cell. So tatlo na lang talaga yung kanyang gamot na iniinom. Hindi ko na po siya pinatigil mag-oral stem cell because syempre yung sakit po niya, napakatagal na niyang sakit. So the reverse process will also take some time, no? So at nakikita ko maganda yung effect sa kanya. And that is one of the biggest why I am doing Reway up to this moment. No? Because gusto ko talagang mag-provide ng something for my mother. Kasi gusto ko po siyang nakikita na palaging masaya, parang yung dati pa rin. Actually, ngayon, nananahi na naman yan kasi gusto daw niya. So, pagbigyan natin kasi kita niya siya doon. Alright? So, right now, I will be sharing my screen, everyone. Okay.
I stay. Should I?
So, I will be sharing my screen. Ayan. So, kita niyo na po yung screen ko. Pwede po kayong mag-thumbs up para alam ko. Hit thumbs up or mag-react po kayo. Kita niyo na po yung screen? Naku, wala yata. Yun, meron na si Ma'am Maria Isabel. Thank you so much. So, this is what we call our product opportunity presentation, no? So, by the way, before I start, let me introduce our company first. The name of the company that we are representing is Reway, Reway International. So, Reway International po has been in the market for already 15 years, no? And actually, next year will be their 16th year anniversary na. But you know what I am very proud of is Reway has been distributing only one health product for the past 15 years. So can you imagine if this product is not something different? How would they survive? Not only survive, no, but grew into a bigger and bigger company that they are having right now. So, ibig sabihin, yung nag-iisang health product na ito, hindi lang po maganda, kung hindi napakaganda. No? Okay? And then, let's talk about this bad na po na mga reasons na nakikita natin, no? So this data is actually bago na po ito, no? This is the report from September 2022 from World Health Organization, the top 10 killers of the world, no? So, ibig sabihin, ito po yun. Yung number 1 is heart disease, hindi po yan nagbago, pati yung top 3, hindi po yan nagbago, no? Heart disease, lower respiratory infections. Meron itong chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, no? May lung cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, no? Pero itong tumaas po ito na interstitial disease, before wala yan sa top 10. Tsaka yung tuberculosis, tumaas din po siya. And then number is cirrhosis, no? Cirrhosis po is liver cancer. Actually, yan po ang kinamatay ng lola ko, and the reason why she has that, imagine liver cancer pero hindi po yan umiinom ng alak. The only reason is she has a lot of maintenance medicine during that time. No? So nakakalungkot. So these are the top 10 killers of the world. And you know what are the reasons behind this, no? Number 1 is the aging population. Number 2 is the wrong diet. Number 3 is the inevitable stress and pollution. These are the problem. No? Yung aging population, of course, we cannot um, contain that. Every year, we are aging. And as we age, bumabagal po yung production ng stem cell ng katawan natin up to the point na hindi na po siya nagpo-produce ng new stem cells kapag may edad na tayo, no? So, that is the reason bakit po nag-i-start na makakita yung mga tao ng wrinkles, something like that, because the stem cell is not producing anymore. No, ganun po 'yun. Kaya nakakakita tayo ng mga ganon. Ibig sabihin, tumatanda. And when we are aging, we become prone to different diseases, no? So yan po siya. Okay? Ayan. Kasi bakit lumabo yung ilaw? Ayan. Alright. And then, next is, okay, ano ba yun? Ayan. Next is yung wrong diet, no? Because we tend to have a very busy lifestyle. So, tao lagi nagmamadali. Mahilig kumain ng mga instant food. Mahilig kumain sa mga fast food. Kaya yung buhay, fast and instant na rin. Inevitable stress because yung stress po talaga is one of the cancer's favorite food. So, alam niyo po ba yan na lahat po tayo may cancer cells sa katawan natin. They are only inactive. But once we have a lot of stress, we can be prone to very serious illnesses in the future. And then, of course, yung pollution. Whatever our effort, sabi nga, hindi po tayo makakaiwas 100% sa pollution. And with that, sabi nga, it causes the deadly illnesses, and it has reached the bottleneck crisis in today's medical science, no? Ano ibig sabihin ng medical bottleneck? Ibig sabihin, hindi na po siya talaga na-addressan. It is very difficult, okay, to have the solution. For example, sa diseases po na ito, lahat po yan nangangailangan ng maintenance medicine. Now, the problem is, yung maintenance medicine ba talagang nakakagamot? Ibig sabihin, ako nakita ko yung sa mother ko eh. When she became diabetic when she was 40 years old, she started with one maintenance medicine. And as the years goes by, padami po ng padami. Wala po akong nakita na may maintenance medicine pero tinake nila, and then after a year or two, nawala yung diabetes. Walang ganun. No? Because ibig sabihin, maintain lang nila yung sakit mo in the hope na wala sana ng maging iba. Pero hindi po talaga ganun yung totoong nangyayari sa real life, no? Now, yan yung bad news. But let's talk about the good news. The good news is there's a recent medical science breakthrough. And take note, that is the discovery of stem cell. No? Discovery, meaning to say, hindi po yan inimbento. Innate po yan in nature. Nature po talaga has everything that the human being needs to survive. No, napakagaling po ng pagkaka-create sa atin, no? Complete sa earth. It is only the challenge of science to discover it. No, kaya from time to time may mga new discoveries po talaga. Okay, but stem cell, ano ba 'yun? No? First of all, nabuo po si stem cell when the ovum from our mother meet the sperm cell from our father. and that forms the mother stem cell. And with the process of duplication, nagkakaroon po siya ng blastocyst. From the blastocyst, magkakaroon po siya ng cell division. Meaning to say, yung cell division po na ito, yung iba magiging uh, intestinal stem cell, yung iba liver stem cell, yung iba naman po ay nerve stem cell, etc. hanggang po makomplete ang isang baby after 9 months. No? So yun siya. So meaning to say, kung titignan nyo, tayo po pala bilang tao are made up of stem cells from our head to toe. Kaya a stem cell is defined as the most basic form of all living things. And then they discovered that it has a lot of possibilities of treatment boundaries and it has a lot of miraculous abilities. Now, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng logical example. When something is broken, tama ba? And your intention is to bring it back to its original form, what you need to use is the same material kung ano yung nasira. So example, you have a concrete wall. Nagkabutas siya. Tama. At nababother ka dun sa butas na yun. Kung yung intention mo lang ay takpan yan, kahit ano pwede mong itapal. Tama ba? Pwede yan takpan ng duct tape o di tapos na yung butas. Tama? But the question is, did it come back to its original form? Of course not. No? And, pero kung gagamitin nating pang-repair is also cement, the answer is yes, it will go back to its original form. But the question right now is, what are we using when we are having health problems? Given the statement that we are made of stem cells. No? Unfortunately, we are using synthetic medicines. So yung ginagawa pala nating repair sa katawan natin is not actually repair, but yung parang tapal-tapal lang na repair. Kaya po, hindi bumabalik sa original form. Whereas, if you use the stem cell, it will go back to its original form. No? So, napakaganda po ng logic na iyan. Now, these are some of the write-ups, articles, or journals around the world kung pinapatunayan nila that stem cell is a lot of miraculous abilities. Now, in fact, most of them are published by Time Magazine, which is a world-renowned publication. And then, basahin natin yung mga iba, no, sabi dyan, stem cell and autism, meron sinasabi dyan na stem cell therapy to treat diabetes, AIDS patient cured with stem cells, no? Imagine niyo that. And then, meron pong binabanggit dyan, nasa gitna po, yung may Chinese character, no? 100 Chinese, and then 50 Chinese. Ibig ko palang sabihin yan, 100 years old man in a body of 50. So, gusto mo ba yon yung 100 years old ka na, pero you look like 50 years old. And I'm very happy to tell you that that is the effect of stem cell, yung reverse aging effect. No? Kaya right now, unstoppable medical science trend at yung greatest revolution of medical emerge because of this is stem cell. Now, what are the most popular methods of receiving stem cell benefits today? These are the following. First of all, syempre yung pinakasikat, yung mga ginagamit ng mga rich and the famous, no? Yung mga artista, bakit? May mga scoliosis yung mga yan, mawawala ng ilang buwan, pero pagbalik, mga nagsasasayaw na naman at lalo pang gumanda. And then yung mga politician, no, they are really very old already by age. Pero yung pagiging very bright nila, nandun pa rin. At bata pa rin silang tignan. That is the secret of stem cell through placenta injection. And yes, it is expensive and time-consuming because they need to go abroad to avail it. And then millions po yung ginagastos nila for that. No? So, ibig sabihin, pero tingnan nyo ha, bakit sila gumagastos ng millions? These people are spending millions so that they can assure that for the next 2 to 3 years, their health is okay. Talagang health is a big investment po. Ano? And then the second is the stem cell transplant. Ito medyo tedious yung ginagawa kasi pwede pong mag-start yan sa either sa bone marrow, kuhaan ka, or pwede rin po yan na kapag medyo mataba na tao, magpapa-liposuction muna and through the fats na nakuha sa kanya, magkakaroon po ng makukuhaan yung stem cell niya. And then, yun po ay paparamihan by culturing. For example, meron kang problema sa kidney, that will be injected directly to your kidney and your kidney will recover. But the problem is it will be painful because baka kaunti or almost no anesthesia needed kasi mamamatay po yung stem cell pag may anesthesia. The next is the cord blood banking. Ito yung mahal din siya kasi you have to bank it. At syempre, yung mga bagong panganak lang po yung pwedeng gumawa niyan. No? But sabi nga, yung storage pa lang may bayad na. Eh, paano pa yung extraction? It's another payment pa. Now, next is the adult stem cell banking. Pwede rin yan, expensive pa rin, and also it might be too late kasi the best stem cell to be used is yung baby stem cells kasi yun yung wala pa siyang sakit, malakas pa, sabi nga, kesa po sa adult stem cell. And then, yung umuso rin to sa mga salon, sabi, maganda ang placenta because pwede yan iturok sa face, nakaka-lift, etc. But there are safety concerns because we don't even know saan nila kinuha yung kanilang stem cell, no? And then bigla natin gagamitin. That will not be good, tama ba? And then, sino ba ang gusto ng libreng stem cell? Excuse me po. We can do that if we have a healthy lifestyle. But the question is, are we eating organic food daily? Can we exercise daily? Wala tayong stress? Walang pollution? Aba, sino makakagawang tao nun? No? So it's very inefficient because it entails or it needs a lot of persistence on our side. So the question is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? Excuse me lang po sandali. No? One, give me 1 minute to ayusin lang tong aking video for a while. Ayan, sorry po. Ganyan po talaga pag live. Merong mga technical issues, no? So, ayan. Meron ba? Is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way naman? No, thank you po sa Reway because of this oral capsule modern technology. Take note, no? Before po, 5 lang yan. But right now, nakikita nyo dun sa screen, may nadagdag po na isa. And that is the supercritical extraction. Na ito po ay napakamahal na method wherein the extraction po talaga is sabi nga very clean and very precise yung pagkaka-extract wherein talagang 90% o sabi dyan 99% na maintain niya yung biological activity, especially on the side of the stem cell. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, na-extract po niya ng talagang kung papaano siya dapat. And mind you, this extraction method is very expensive. Napakalaki po nung ininvest ng company to use this technology. No? So, we are very happy that we have it. And then, my favorite question in mind before nung narinig ko po ito, ha? Oral capsule, modern technology, meaning to say, yung stem cell nasa capsule, totoo ba yan? Yes, totoo po. Tama, una, ginamitan ng supercritical extraction method. Pangalawa, freeze-drying technology. So, by the way, ang source of stem cell po ng ating product ay deer placenta. So, when the deer po ay nanganak, hinagather yung stem cell and then ginamitan ng supercritical extraction to extract the stem cells on that. And then next is freeze dry. Kasi po pag ginamitan ng freeze drying technology, it maintains the stem cells to be bioactive in the next 3 to 4 years. Meaning to say, buhay siya. And then next is bago nilagay yan sa capsule, tinanggalan po ng oxygen. Because anything with oxygen will make it rancid. Mabubulok at mabubuhay po yung bacteria inside. So tinanggal po yung oxygen And to support the life of the stem cell, ginamit po yung nitrogen-filled technology. Nitrogen po is a cold gas. I appreciate it so much because sa field ko po of electronics engineering, yung mga piyesa po ng ating cellphone, ng mga microwave radio, satellite radio, tinetest po namin yan under negative 35 degrees Celsius. Bakit? Kasi napakalamig po sa outer space pag sa satellite yan. Now, may countries po na nasa freezing point sila when it's winter. And we need to make sure that the device will still work under this very cold temperature. Kaya na-appreciate ko yung nitrogen fill technology. So, imagine niyo ha, freeze-dried yung stem cell and then nilagyan ng nitrogen. So, na-protectionan niya. Tama ba? That made the stem cell po protected and para na po siyang naka-ref on its own. Kaya po yung ating product, hindi po yan ginagamitan ng refrigerator. Tama na yung sa room temp lang. And then, of course, the enteric coated technology, one of my favorite, because yung capsule po is very special. Hindi po siya natutunaw sa tiyan. Take note, anything na food supplement na hindi po enteric coated, pag dumaan sa tiyan natin, sinisira lang po niya yung ibang nutrients. So, pansinin nyo, mag-vitamin C po kayo. Anong kulay ng urine or ihi natin? Sabi nung iba, yellow. Sabi nung iba, almost orange na nga. Tama po yan, no? Kasi, those urine are called expensive urine because instead na na-absorb po siya ng body nyo, inihi lang natin. And alam po ng mga doctors yan. Bakit? Kasi kung yung vitamin C iinumin for my body weight, I am required to take 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C per day. Okay? That's my daily requirement. Pero kung magpapa-inject po pala ako, I only need 100 milligrams. And that's only 10% of 1,000. So alam nila na kapag dumaan po yan sa tiyan, 90% tapon. So napakaganda nung ginamit sa atin na enteric coated technology kasi yung product dadaan lang po sa tiyan natin. Makikidaan lang siya, hindi siya doon matutunaw, diretso po sa small intestine. And our small intestine is alkaline in nature, doon po siya magra-rapid burst. So can you imagine? Almost na-absorb po lahat. Kasi wala na siyang dinaanan na kung ano-ano. And ito pa yung pinakamaganda sa enteric coated technology, na spare nyo po yung liver and kidney nyo. Kasi diretso na po siya sa bloodstream. Pupunta po siya sa liver and kidney in the form of sa bloodstream na siya. Hindi na po siya ipaprocess ng liver and kidney. So this is the best supplement that you can give to a person under dialysis. In fact, dati po, meron ako mga, kasi hindi ito yung una kong in-endorse na food supplement. Yung dati ko pong in-endorse na food supplement, pag iniinom pala yan ng nagdialysis, pag nagdialysis na po sila, pinapagalitan ng doktor. Bakit? Doon sa tinanggal sa kanila na tubig, nakikita po yung mga residue nung ininom nila na food supplement. But the good news is, kapag pure cheerful placenta yung pinainom ninyo, wala pong residue na nakikita sa dialysis. Kasi nga na-absorb ng katawan talaga lahat. No? And then, emulsification technology, ginamit po yan para paliitin po yung molecule so that it can penetrate sa maliliit natin na nerves or mga ugat like the eyes and the brains. No? So, ganun po siya. And then, lastly, is the BioSoft gel technology. In-ensure na mabilis po yung absorption and delivery system inside our body. So yes, oral capsule stem cell in an oral capsule is true. Buhay po yung stem cell because of this modern technologies na ginawa. Okay? Now, next is, ayan, no? Presenting our Pure Cheer Placenta, which is already on the 7th edition. Para doon sa mga leaders that are in the house tonight, tingnan nyo po, no, grabe po yung talagang upgrade ng 7th edition. I am very excited na makatikim na po ng 7th edition of Pure Cheer Placenta. Okay? Why? Because ito muna, bakit nga ba deer placenta? Kasi po, yan yung pinakamalapit sa ating stem cell as a human. No? Sila po yung sinasabi. And actually, tinatawag po ang deer na divine beast kasi napaka-clean po nila na mammal. They are the cleanest mammal on earth because wala po silang gallbladder. They are very picky eater. Kasi po hindi sila basta pwedeng kumain ng kahit ano. Dahil wala silang gallbladder, madali silang malalason. No, kaya very picky eater po sila. Malinis po ang deer. And did you know that during the ancient times pa, panahon pa ng mga emperors, no, ginagamit na po nila yung different parts of the deer para po sa kanilang medicinal purposes. No, like the tail, or of course the placenta and the velvet, no? Yung velvet po yung sa sungay po yan ng deer, sa antler po nila. Yan, velvety pala yon in nature. Pero yung loob niya is very sturdy. Okay? Blood, heart, lahat po yan may kanya-kanyang gamit. Plus, pero take note niya lang po yung tatlo, no? Yung placenta, yung velvet, and the skin. Okay? Those are already present in our product na Pure Cheer Placenta 7th edition. Okay? Tingnan niyo po yung evolution of Pure Cheer Placenta. When Reway started, of course, nilabas po nila yung Pure Cheer Placenta first edition ng 2008. Yan pa lang po siya. Up to, ako po ang inabutan ko talaga 6th edition na dahil yun nga, October 2019 ko po nalaman yung Reway. And sabi ko nga, sold out na ako sa 6th edition kasi sobrang dami ko po nakita talaga ng mga testimonies with my own eyes, yung mga naging clients ko. Yung mga nagiging clients nyo po dito, magiging almost family and friends nyo na. Bakit? Kasi wala pong sawa sila na magpasalamat dahil nakilala nila yung Pure Cheer Placenta. Kami rin po ganun. Sobrang thankful namin na nalaman namin itong Pure Cheer and it helps po sa family. In fact, hindi po kami nawawalan. No? Lagi po kaming may 1 bottle of Pure Cheer Placenta sa bahay. Bakit? Kasi po pag merong may kung ano pa man, masakit ang ulo, masakit ang tiyan, kahit po sa mga pamangking ko na bata, no? Mahilig po kami na iinom muna ng Pure Cheer before anything else, no? Alright? Now, tingnan nyo po. Before on the 6th edition, we are very, very proud because hindi mahirap na nilang gayahin yung product natin because we have a patented ingredient which is the nucleoclavin. Pero congratulations to all of us because the 7th edition has 4 additional patented ingredients, no? Alam niyo po ba pag sinabing patented, ito ay nire-register po nila under their rights lang. Ibig sabihin, Reway lang po yung pwedeng gumamit ng mga ingredients nito for the next 20 years. So, mamaya ko i-explain how intelligent Reway is in creating this very, very good product for all of us leaders, especially leaders, no? First of all, we have the Cervicenta. Cervicenta is technically yung deer placenta. Okay? Pinatent po yan ng Reway. Napakalaki po ng ginagastos ng isang company for you to own a patented ingredient. No? Napakamahal po niyan. Pero they did it because they want us to benefit from it. Can you imagine right now, napakadami pong lumalabas ng mga deer placenta products. And what is the effect of that? Sabi nga dahil patented na ang deer placenta or yung Cervicenta. No? So they were given notice na that they will be using that only for the next 6 months na lang po. No? And our deer placenta is hindi lang po galing sa kung saan, but this is galing po sa New Zealand, the cleanest country in the world, and also nandun din yung factory. So, ibig sabihin, from the extraction, from the manufacturing of the products, napakalinis po. Yan. So, sabi dyan, no, yung potency po ng ating deer placenta talagang clinically proven to lower or prevent any chronic disease. Grabe po, no? Next is the Velvicenta. Okay? What is the Velvicenta? Ito po yung antler. Pero ang ginagamit lang po ng Reway is the 2 to 3 inches po na dulo ng sungay. Why? Did you know that pag pinutol pala natin yung 2 to 3 inches na yan, in just about months, tutubo po siya ulit. Meaning to say, napakadaming stem cell on the tip of the deer antler. Yun po yung ginagamit ng Reway, no? And not only that, ibig sabihin po, alam niyo po ba na doon sa cells na nasa dulo ng antler, they can already produce a baby deer in the laboratory because it has a very good source of stem cell. At yung regeneration, napakabilis kasi nga tumutubo po pala siya. Diba? And next po, na patented ingredient is Ninjixen. Alam ko kung tama yung pronunciation ko ha. But this is a very special ginseng planted on the volcanic soil of New Zealand. So, nasa New Zealand pa rin po siya. Alam niyo po ba, na tinanim nila ito 10 years ago pa. So, ibig sabihin, pinag-aralan po nila what will be the difference of planting this ginseng in a volcanic soil of New Zealand. And they have discovered, sabi dyan, that 70% can be absorbed into into cells. And take note, pag kinumpara po siya sa ordinary ginseng, di ba, pag sinabi nating ginseng, iba yung energy na binibigay sa body. Pag kinumpara niyo po itong Ninjixen na patented ingredient ni Reway that can only be found sa bulkan po, no? Sa paanan ng bulkan kasi nasa volcanic soil siya nakatanim. It is 150%, 150 times more effective compared to other genes. Grabe po, no? Nung binabasa ko po ito, binabasa ko pa lang, kinikilabutan na ako. Sabi ko, grabe yung ginawa ng Reway. And can you imagine that tinanim po nila ito 10 years ago pa? That's how intelligent Reway is. They are perfecting the product 10 years ago pa. Pero ngayon lang to dinagdag sa 7th edition. Okay? Now, next is the Axirtone. Ano naman po yung Axirtone? This is the antler lindsay. Ano yan? Tingnan niyo po yan kasi meron po mga sumikat yung Ganoderma, tama po ba? Or yung reishi mushroom. Pero this one, ito po pala, inaantay po nila yung tip ulit. Yung parang magpo-form siya ng sungay. Yung pinakadulo po nun, yun lang yung tinatawag na Axirtone. And then, ano yung nagagawa niyan? Okay? So, babasahin ko po. Clinically proven to prevent cardiovascular disease, antibacterial, antioxidant po siya, anti-aging, anti-hypertensive, and many more benefits. No? So, hindi po natin ginagamit yung buong mushroom. Again, Axirtone is only found. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya, siya yung antler ng Lindsay. Parang yung pinakasungay ng mushroom sa dulo. Yun lang po yung ginagamit ng Reway. Okay? And of course, our very loved, no, nasa 6th edition na ito, Nucleoclavem, which is found in the rare white strawberry na kinukuha lang po sa Awaji Island, Japan. Known din po ito for anti-inflammatory. So, napakaganda po ng formulation. And these 5 ingredients are all patented ingredients. No? Grabe po yan. Napakaganda. Palakpakan po natin. So, with that, sabi nga, bakit nga ba nagpo-food supplement? Or bakit natin kailangan ng food supplement? We need food supplement to detox, to recover faster. Sabi nga, yung mga nagpa-surgery or what, they need supplements to recover faster, to prevent diseases, to supplement mismo. Bakit? We cannot eat the daily nutrients requirement that our body needs to lower the three high, no, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high sugar, and to protect our body. But when it comes to regeneration and repair, only a stem cell can do that. And you know what? Our standard is to have one product to fulfill all our health supplement needs. Yun po yung maganda doon eh. Yun yung ginawa ni Riway. Kasi imagine niyo, iba pa yung supplement mo. O paano kung marami kang naging sakit? E di may supplement ka sa heart, sa liver, sa kidney, meron ka pa sa buto. Eh ilan na yung iinumin mo? Kamusta naman ang kidney mo pag napakadami mong iniinom? Tapos hindi naman sila enteric coated. Right? So what they did is everything kaya pong addressan ng Future Placenta. Kaya nga po, we only have one product that withstand the test of time for the past 15 years na po. Alright? So, these are the formulation. Ito na po yung 7th edition natin. Na-discuss ko na yung 5 patented ingredients. And yes, nandyan pa rin po si Focoidin extra or the brown seaweed kasi cancer-fighting ingredient yan. The apple polyphenol o the apple extract, nandyan pa rin siya. Natural source of insulin po yan. Yung tomato extract or the lycopene, nandyan pa rin po siya. Marine collagen, good po ito sa mga may arthritis and osteoporosis. Siyempre, bukod po sa pampaganda talaga ang oxygen, natutulungan pa niyan yung mga may joints problem, no? And then the evening primrose, before, lagi kong hina-highlight lang yung evening primrose is for mga nagme-menopause na woman. Pero alam niyo po, napakadami pong gamit pala niya, no? For cardio diseases din po. And then it improves yung mga may eczema, psoriasis, and mind you, yung palang evening primrose no can heal wound faster. Okay? Squalene, good source of good cholesterol as well as the avocado as well as the borage oil. No? So, ang dami nating good sources of cholesterol dyan. And then, aloe vera extract. So, with everything, sabi nga, yung pinakita ko kanina na 3, from detox to protect to repair, lahat po yan, nandiyan na. Okay? So, ano pa ang hahanapin natin? And with that, yan po yung lahat ng ingredient na 7th edition na Pure Placenta. And now, I am showing you the leading causes of death in the world, no? For the 2019, can you imagine? 18.56 million na po ang namatay because of cardiovascular diseases. And then, cancer, 3.97 million. Next is yung digestive system disease at saka yung lower respiratory disease na almost 3 million each po siya. So, ako, ang take ko nung nakita ko tong graph na to, aren't we feel obliged that we know a very good product and this is the death rate of the world? Hindi po ba tayo matutuwa that we have something to offer in the world that can help, no? At least to help this kind of people to enjoy life more. Sabi nga eh, yung iba gumagastos po sila ng milyon-milyon just to lengthen their life for 2 to 3 years kasi yung nagpapa-placenta injection po, they need another injection after 2 or 3 years. Gagastos na naman sila ng another millions. Pero dito po, hindi nga tayo gagastos ng millions. Tama ba? And what I'm telling right now is by being an advocate of Reway, mararanasan niyo po yung makakainom ng libreng Pure Placenta, no? Yan po yung nararanasan namin being the leaders here. Kaya parang kahit mahirap po, no? Katulad niya, nagsasalita ako dito, hindi ko po alam kung sino yung nakikinig sa akin. Tama ba? But okay lang because I really wanted to share this to everyone. Okay? So, hindi po namin alintana yun and then, hindi ko rin po alam kung sino yung invite ko dito except Ma'am Jocelyn. It doesn't matter because this is an advocacy. So it's okay, no? We can share all the information to everybody and we can just follow up, no? Doon sa mga each na mga nag-invite po sa inyo. Now, so if you were invited tonight, please thank them because they have shared you something very, very valuable. And you know what? The 7th edition of Pure Placenta, yan po yung logo ng Pure Placenta ngayon, no? Create crafting ingenuity, an art with our soul. Kasi the CEO, pag sinabi po natin ingenuity, no, they create or apply intelligence on this product. At nakita niyo po kung gaano katalino yung CEO po ng Riway. Even the even the ingredient that they planted 10 years ago, pinag-aralang mabuti, ngayon pa lang po ginamit sa 7th edition. Okay? So before I share some testimony, mag-share po ako ng some testimony, and these are the people that got better, got help with the 6th edition. Pero syempre, can you imagine if ganito yung nagawa ng 6th edition? Kasi ilo-launch pa lang to, no, tong 7th edition sa Philippines. How much more will this 7th edition help us? Nagbibiruan nga po baka daw binubuksan pa lang natin yung bote ng 7th edition, gumagaan na yung pakiramdam natin, no? Yun po yung biruan kasi napaka-powerful talaga ng mga dinagdag na ingredient. And leaders po na nandito sa Luzon, I am inviting everyone to join us in our grand testimonial event on Tuesday. Now, that is October 17 at 1 p.m. sa Lighthouse Christian Community, dyan lang po sa Muntinlupa. No? So, kung malapit lang po kayo dito or you want to kahit malayo pero gusto nyong puntahan, you are very welcome. Please ask the person who invited you kung papaano po, no? Because this grand testimonial event is a live sharing of testimonies, no? And these testimonies po are backed up with evidences and medical test results. So, hindi po ito yung tipong mag-share ako na, ay, ininom ko yan, bumuti yung pakiramdam ko. Hindi po. These are backup of medical test results, no? So, stop share ko lang ito, and then sa ibang ano ko po kasi i-share yung aking testimony sa aking next device, no? Okay, wait lang po. May pag-wait talaga. So, kamusta naman po yung everybody? Gusto ko po makakita ng comment. Meron po bang nag-comment about our 7th edition? Ayan, no? Grabe po talaga. Sobrang powerful po ng ating new edition. Talagang amazing po. Inaaral ko lang po siya. Alam niyo po, talagang yung dating sa akin, iba na. Sabi ko, grabe naman tong product na to. I cannot wait to taste the 7th edition. Ha? And then, syempre, we will be sharing that again to everyone. Okay? So, let me share my another device. No? I'm sharing. Okay. So, yan. So these are po photos, no? Some photos of leaders of Riway International around the world. And alam niyo po, yan, ito yung official attire namin, no? Meron kaming black suit, we wear the Riway pin, and we wear our, kung meron na kaming rank. No? So I'm a Diamond 2-star of Riway International, kaya yung ganyan po yung pin ko, no? So now, okay. Wow, grabe, sabi ni Mr. Bart, no? 3 bottles of the 6th edition is equivalent to 1 bottle of the 7th edition, no? So that's a very, very good additional information for all of us. Imagine yan, no? Para ka nagtatlong bote sa isang bote lang ng 7th edition. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, those na dinagdag, patented ingredients, ginawa ng 5, dati isa lang, pero wala pong price increase na nangyari. Grabe po talaga yung generosity ng Riway, no? Sobra po. Now, ito po yung sinasabi ko, no, compilation of leaders. Yan po mga leaders na yan kami. Hindi po kami basta lang nagsuot ng black suit and then nagkukukwento dito sa harapan ninyo. Alam niyo po, how we become a Riway advocate first? We try the product. Okay? Because napakahirap pong magsalita pag hindi po yan galing sa puso natin. And I need a lot of technical reasoning. Pero samantalang kung na-experience ko si product at ikukwento ko po sa inyo yung na-experience ko, hindi po ako magkakamali kasi experience ko po yun eh. Tama ba? So that's the quality of a Riway leader. We have proven it by ourselves. Actually, in my case, hindi ko po to ginawang business ang Riway agad-agad. Ibig sabihin, hindi po ako bumili dahil gusto ko yung business. Wala po akong pakialam sa business ng Freeway before. In fact, sinabi ko yan kay Engineer May Amogis nung bumili ako, May, please do not register me. Ayoko ng ganyang company. Negative ako di ba? So sabi ko, ayoko na. Sabi niya, sabi mo lang, hindi promise, ayoko talaga. Pero syempre, ni-register pa rin niya ako. And then, seeing my mom walk for 1 month. Ang dami pong nagtanong na mga classmate niya sa diabetic club nila. Paano nakalakad si mami ulit? Hindi naman siya nagpa-opera kasi dati after ng clinic day nila, dumadalaw na lang sila sa bahay. Doon na lang nila nakakabanding si nanay ko. And then one day, after 1 month, pumunta na ulit si nanay sa diabetic clinic nila. Can you imagine that? So yun po yung sinasabi na wala kang binenta, wala kang shiner, pero nagtanong sila kasi nakita po nila yung result. At doon po ako nag-start. Alam niyo po, wala pa rin akong believe noon. Pero tinawag ko si Mai, sabi ko, Mai, punta ka ng Tondo, kasi taga-Tondo yung nanay ko. Present mo to, ang dami nagtatanong. And then, the history start of my Reway advocacy. And then, not only that, ako po mismo, mayroon akong, isi-share ko na yung sa akin. Ako po ay nagkaroon ng endometriosis December of 2018. Kadalaga kong tao na raspa po ako. Bakit? Because my only choice is magparaspa daw ako or magpatanggal ako ng matres. Ay takot din po ako magpa-opera. Tama. Kaya sabi ko, I am choosing na magparaspa. Sabi ng OB, okay, magparaspa ka, but you might be undergoing the same procedure yearly. Kasi, nung after nila po ni Raspa, hinistopath po yung nakuha sa akin. And yung endometriosis ko is due to polyps. And polyps po, pag merong polyps ang isang babae, tumutubo po siya ulit. Okay? So, sabi ko, at least I still have 1 year to think. Kasi nga po, ayoko magpatanggal ng matres, no? And then, sakto po. Kaya sabi ko, sometimes, God really is very good to all of us. Can you imagine, binilahan namin future nanay ko. Hindi po ako. That was October. Pero nung November of 2019, nararamdaman ko na po ulit yung symptoms ng endometriosis. Talagang yun po masakit na ulit yung puson ko. Sabi ko, grabe, hindi ko na kayang magparaspa ulit kasi yun pong injection nun sa likod. 'Di ba yung epidural para kang nanganak? Yun po yung ininda ko ng matagal na panahon kaysa pa sa raspa. So sabi ko, naisip ko dahil may future si nanay, naipahiram muna ng 2 bote ng 6th edition yan. Hindi ko po, kumbaga, itatry ko, tama? So, ginawa ko po, ininom ko yung 2 bote in November of 2019. At to be honest with you, yun lang po yung natikman ko noon. Kasi nga, binili ko yun para sa nanay ko eh. And then, siguro ng 2020, pa isa-isa lang ako, pero hindi po monthly, na matagal. And then, naulitan lang po yan. Pero hindi po ako nagkaroon ng endometriosis ng 2019. 2020, siguro nakadalawang bote lang ako for the whole year kasi pandemic po yan. So, mahirap po talaga. Hindi rin po ako nagkaroon ng endometriosis. Hindi po ako nagka-COVID and nothing else. And then, 2021, medyo kumita po kasi nag-Diamond 2-star, no? Doon lang po ako nakakumpleto ng 6 months therapy. Ibig sabihin, bumili ako ng isang set kumpleto para sa sarili ko. Ininom ko from March to September. And you know what? Up to this point, never pa po ako nagkatikim ng raspa uli. Wala na pong repeat yung endometriosis ko. And I am expecting po na dapat magme-menopause na ako. Pero sad to say, I'm already 46 today. Wala pong sign na nagloloko yung menstruation ko. I do not experience menstrual pain anymore or anything. Minsan nagkakaroon lang po ako ng hindi ko namalayan. That's how beautiful your tear placenta to all of us. No? So talagang doon ko po nakita na sabi ko grabe, sobrang powerful ng product. And may I present to you some of the other testimonies? Yan, like si Tita Nancy, meron po siyang neck tumor. Tignan niyo po yung sinasabing reverse aging effect, no? So dito, bukod sa natanggal na yung tumor niya, wala dun sa after. Actually, natakot siya. Sabi niya, naku, pag nawawala kasi yung tumor, baka lumipat daw po sa ibang parts ng body niya. So executive check-up siya, pero wala. And then look at her after picture. Mas nag-glowy po yung skin niya, nabawasan po yung lines, no? At saka ano yung tawag doon, nag-lift po siya, no? Next is Amina Datukan. This girl, the problem po niya is severe bronchial asthma since childhood. Ang maintenance medicine po niya, steroids, antihistamine, anti-asthma, bronchodilator, inhaler, swing inhaler. Kaya tingnan niyo po, medyo bluish gray ang kulay niya and bloated po yung pisngi niya kasi ganyan po yung mga nag steroids, no? But look at her after taking pure cheer placenta. And it took her a while. So, ibig ko sabihin, yung 6 months therapy po ni Pure Cheer, applicable po yan para sa mga tao na hindi malala yung sakit. Paano mo malalaman kung hindi malala yung sakit mo? Meron pong iba na halimbawa, nagbuntis sila kaya sila naging diabetic. Pero kapag tapos nilang mga anak, hindi na sila diabetic. So, hindi po malala yun. Kasi hindi talaga sila diabetic. May tinatawag lang po na gestational na diabetic kapag nagbubuntis, no? Pero kapag ikaw ay may certain na sakit at 2 years ka nang nagme-maintenance because of that certain disease, nasa category na po siya ng malala. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na po, baka yung 6 months therapy kulang, you may extend it. At mas iinom ka ng mas marami, no? Ganun po yung ibig sabihin. Now, take note, hindi po tayo yung magde-decide kailan natin tatanggalin yung maintenance natin. Okay? Pag nag-take po tayo ng pure cheer placenta, it will still need to undergo the process of detox and repairing, etc. So before that, make sure kasama pa po lahat ng maintenance medicine. But after 1 month, at least, magpa-check up po kayo. And then do that quarterly to make sure that the doctor is the one dictating our maintenance medicine. Like sa mother ko, masipag po yan magpa-check up kasi libre yung check up nila sa diabetic club nila. So weekly po siya chine-check up. At dun po minsan, binabawasan yung dosage ng kanyang maintenance up to some time na talagang totally alisin na. Only a doctor can do that. No? That's a disclaimer. Kasi baka akala nyo, pag nag-pure ba, tatanggalin ko na yung maintenance? The answer is no. Okay? Wow, look at her after po ng kanyang therapy. So this is laging ganito. This is the result to her. Siya po bakit ayaw mag-play ng video? Kaya ko nga siya dito inano. Tingnan po natin kung sorry, nag-play na. Yan, gusto ko 'to ipakita sa inyo, bakit? Yung video kasi po since childhood na siya yung po bang ibig sabihin yung kanyang physical activity limited, si bronchial asthma. No? So with that, nung okay na siya, nag-basketball siya, mountain climbing, binawi niya yung mga physical activity. Now, this one is gel skin aspirin. Her problem is PCOS. So, pag may PCOS po ang babae, yung may problem sa reproductive system po niya, pansinin niyo na medyo bloated siya. Yan po yung mga babae minsan na kaya mag-ingat po kayo sa pagsabi sa mga babae, hoy, tumaba ka. Huwag pong ganyan, dahan-dahan lang po dahil minsan, hindi naman dahil sa malakas silang kumain. Kung hindi, meron po silang hormonal imbalance, no, na nararanasan. And na-addressan po yan ng Pure Cheer Placenta Plus. Pag nakita niyo po itong pink na box na hawak niya sa after, ginamit din po niya yung only beauty product ng Reway which is called Conscientious. You can ask your leaders o na nag-invite sa inyo kung ano po yan, no? Pero meron lang ako i-share about Conscientious. Napakaganda po niyan sa face, no? Pero meron po akong isang leader na dahil time po ng pandemic, nagkaroon siya ng malaking sugat, ini-spray po niya yan. Tinitiis po niya yung sobrang hapdi. Pero in a matter of days, close po yung malaking sugat. No? So, yun po yung another testimony of that beauty product siya. Pero dahil that's a pure essence spray, wala po yan halo. Kahit na isang patak na tubig, wala. Kaya ganun po siya kaganda. Next is, ito, Tatay Armando Patosa, ito po yung father ni Engineer May Amogis, ang sakit, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Can you imagine, ito po ay, ang nagne-nebulize po siya ng 8 to 10 times a day. Meaning to say, almost every 2 hours, nagne-nebulize siya. Di ba? So, kaya yung kanya pong bed, yung kanyang room sa bahay nila, parang hospital na. Kasi minsan, kailangan po naka-oxygen siya pag natutulog. Okay? Tapos, bukod pa sa nebulizer, ganun po ka-severe yung kanyang COPD, no? Pero after 6 months of taking, yan na siya. And then, nagmumotor na po
Gina
wala lang dito, no? Pero, ibig sabihin, yung mga ganyan kasi continuous na silang umiinom. And nakikita mo pa rin yung improvement sa kanila. Rolando Cho, may psoriasis since 2011, but right now, ito na po siya. No? And then, ito po si Emilio De Jesus, siya po ay may colonic mass, meaning to say, nakakita ng bukol sa kanyang bituka. Ang gusto po ng doktor, ang recommendation sa kanya is i-biopsy para malaman if it's tuberculosis of the colon or may malignancy. Pero takot po siya sa biopsy. So sabi niya, i-try ko tong pure cheer placenta. Now, after 3 months of taking pure cheer, 3 months lang po, no, nandyan po sa date, January po itong una niya, no, na-discover yung colonic mass. March of the same year, ayan na po. Nagpa-colonoscopy ulit siya sa St. Luke's pa, no? At nakalagay po dyan sa result, no? ASA classification, class 1 healthy. Wala pong nakitang bukol. Meaning to say, na wala po. Okay? Next is Belinda Dabi. This is one of a hard customer. Bakit? Kasi she works as a nurse 18 years po sa USA. And na-stroke po siya, half-body paralyzed siya. Tingnan niyo po yung before picture niya, yan po yung itsura niya nung inuwi siya sa Pilipinas. Kasi 'di ba, normally ganon, pag nagkakasakit, gusto nila nandito na sila sa Pilipinas kasama yung pamilya nila. Eh nung nagpe-present po ng ganito sa kanya, ang sabi niya, wag niyo nga akong lokohin. Imagine, galing ako ng USA, walang nakapagpagaling sa akin. Sasabihin niyo, magiging okay ako dyan. Pero pinilit lang siya ng mga anak niya na i-take. So, yan po yung after picture niya. Kitang-kita naman po yung difference. And also, ito po yung nagbago sa kanya. No? So, from wheelchair, yan, nagkakaroon na siya ng lakas, naka-recover na siya, kaya na niya makipaghabulan sa ako.
bit si Mami
Isn't
Gwan.
that something amazing, no? Na makita sa mga parents po natin. Next is Edgar Estrella, brain tumor, OFW po yan. Walang issue, willing po siyang magpa-opera. Bakit? Sagot naman ng company. Kaya lang sabi ng doctor sa kanya, Mr. Edgar, your body is too weak. Baka pagbukas pa lang ng ulo niya, makomatose na siya. So sabi, magpalakas muna siya and then go back para ma-gain mo na yung strength niya. So nakilala niya si Pure Cheer, uminom siya for 8 months, then bumalik siya sa doctor niya. No? Kasi sabi niya, ready na siya for the surgery. But to their surprise, pareho po silang na-surprise ng doctor because his latest MRI shows na wala na po yung kanyang brain tumor. No? Ayan po yung itsura niya and actually you can stalk him sa Facebook. Mas bata na po yung itsura niya ngayon. No, Edgar Estrella. Okay? Now, last is Nona Aquino, ovarian cancer. Nagpakimo na siya bago pa niya makilala yung Pure Cheer. And she is very thankful kasi talagang feeling niya hindi siya mamamatay because of her cancer. Pero mukhang yung chemo ang papatay sa kanya, no? Kasi sobrang nanghina siya. But after that, yan na po siya. Eh, nakita nyo rin, no? Naka-black blazer na siya, wearing Riway Pinway. Because once you experience, sabi nga po, you feel obliged to share to somebody else. Ganun po yung nararamdaman ng lahat ng mga Riway leaders na nandito po sa inyong harapan. Okay? So, that's all the presentation lang po na gusto kong i-share to all of us. And yun na po, tapos na tayo, no? But let me share lang po that hindi po kami nandito para po kumbinsihin kayo na bumili. Tama ba? It's your responsibility, sabi niya. Kami po dito ay naglatag lang ng information, nag-share lang po kami ng testimony, but the decision making is on your own na po. Pero but this is my advice lang, no? If you are a kind of person na sa palagay mo, ikaw yung tipong gagawa ng paraan, why not now? No? may kakilala ko dito sa Calamba, no, na talagang sobrang pagsisisi niya sa buhay kasi inantay pa niya na yung mother niya mapunta sa ICU. Tama ba? Nung nasa ICU, ginagawan po nila ng paraan dyan sa Calamba Medical Center. 50,000 a day. Can you imagine? 50,000 a day, ginagawan ng paraan para lang mas ma-revive sana yung mother niya. Lumipas po ang 1 linggo, patay din, no? My say is, samantalang, do you think yung 50,000 a day na-enjoy ng pasyente sa ICU? Hindi po, no? Alam niyo po, kapag may pasyenteng tinutubuhan, kung nakikita niyo lang, ako marami na ako nakitang kamag-anak ko na ganyan, umiiyak po sila. Kahit wala na silang malay, umiiyak po, tumutulo po yung luha. Yun po yung hindi ko kinakaya minsan. Bakit? Kasi kulang na lang sabihin nila, ayoko na yan. Tama, hindi lang nila kayang sabihin kasi nga wala na silang malay, pero makikita mo po talaga tumutulo yung luha. Samantalang, nung nakita ko po, no, i-share ko lang sa inyo, yung Pure Cheer Placenta, wala po kaming pera nun. Pero ginawan ko ng paraan kasi what is at stake is buhay po ng nanay ko. So, ginawa ko ng paraan. Maliit ba na halaga yan? Hindi po, no? Grabe, hindi. Pero masaya ba ako? Yes. Kasi sabi nga, kahit pa maglabas ka ng 1 milyon, kung late mo nilabas yan, sayang lang po, no? So we might as well, ang dami kong kliyente na ganyan eh, kinausap ko sila nung una, ayaw nila. Nung end of life na, tsaka bibili ng Pure Cheer. Alam niyo po, sinasabi ko talaga, hindi po ako mangangako sa inyo ha, na may magagawa pa. Siguro makakatulong, pero hindi ko po pinapangako sa inyo na masisave pa. Talagang very straightforward po ako. Kasi sana, kung nung months before pa nakausap ko sila, tsaka sila nag-try, baka pa. Pero if it's very late, baka wala na. No? So, yun lang po yung iiwanan ko. Sabi nga po, totoo po, that health is the greatest investment that we can have. Kasi once we are healthy, lahat po kaya natin. Actually, yung Reway core values is maintain your health, because once you are healthy, you will have a good spiritual life. You will have a good financial life, good social life, maayos ang family mo, lahat maayos. Nag-start po yan because inayos mo yung health. So once again, everyone, sabi ko nga po, health is really our greatest wealth. Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much po. Salamat po ng marami. Yeah.